subscribe to Soil Cup.
Post COVID-19, we are very confident about our future plans, our prospects, and we have a learning and experiences in our kitty. We strongly believe that each one of us is full of skill and talent. It is our duty to identify, nurture that talent, and to provide standard and uniform demonstration platform to showcase talent. Hello friends, I am Manmohan Rawat from City Beautiful Chandigarh, founder of Global Records and Research Foundation, a leading reference organization for records and awards. I thank Soil Cup for giving me this opportunity to talk about our journey, our future plans. Welcome you in the exciting world of records. Thank you. Journey begins in April 2017. We offered very economical products in Indian market. The record holders, the achievers from all over the India, they took it. We were very happy, but within 6 months there was virtually no business. People were looking for more and more. Money was not the only factor, and we have to think, we have to replan, and we have to reboot ourselves. Story of this journey started 15 years ago when I was working with a leading telecom company in Chandigarh. The company was about to launch a value added service, and that time a paper recharge coupon was used to in the marketplace. So the company planned for launch a record, a huge paper card of size 30 feet by 50 feet. We did it. We get a huge coverage in the local media, the market, the people, they all know about this service. But it cost ₹1 million to the telecom company. The question started, ₹1 million, is it required to show your talent, to show your strength, to make a record? During rebooting process, we talked to hundreds of record holders. We met them personally and we list out expectations, aspirations and requirement of record holders. In addition to this, we also have a deliberation sessions with experts within the industry, and the reboot mantra was revisiting product portfolio, providing localized value added service to the record holders. The first mantra was product portfolio. We revisited product portfolio and we removed contradictions in the products. A child of 5 years cannot compete with the adult of 25 years. So we exclusively made a record platform for kids only under a brand name of Children Records. In the similar way, we also offered a dedicated record platform for women records. So as of now, we have 5 dedicated record platforms: Children Records, Women Records, National Records, for the continent Asia Pacific Records, and for the world records, Global Records. That was the mantra number 1. Second learning was to provide localized service to the record holders. India is full of diversity. A person from Assam has a different requirement than a person from Punjab or a person from Chennai. So we developed a team of diverse field from multi locations. The team based at Chennai was or is offering services in local level to the south based achievers. Similarly, a Kolkata based team is helping or servicing entire northeast. Same way, the Chandigarh based team is covering or servicing the entire North India. With these two basic revisits or reconsiderations, we were able to reboot our business, and that was our first success milestone in this journey. We have major initiatives and grand plans for 2020, but who thought about COVID-19? We were virtually at standstill, but we adapt to the changes and we quickly evolved a digital platform. We did not look beyond a physical presence. From the team events, we move and we promote quickly the solo events. And this way, we are competing with COVID-19. Post COVID-19, we are very confident about our future plans, our prospects, and we have a learning and experiences in our kitty. We strongly believe that each one of us is full of skill and talent. It is our duty to identify, nurture that talent, and to provide standard and uniform demonstration platform to showcase talent. This way, we are helping all the record holders and the achievers all across the India. Within 2 years, we plan to go global and looking for providing a economical, affordable and sustainable platform from India to the world. Thank you.